That is a
Boeing 777-31H-ER from Emirates coming from DXB Dubai.
Okay, you don't have to do everything for me.
Well, you don't remember anything, so I
I'm dying.
Goodbye. Can I do the 787 8
Sure. There it is. That is an Air France A350 941 from
CDG Paris.
coming from CDG Paris
Yes,
to
CDG
ORD.
Charles de Gaulle.
Yeah. My recording is a bit wonky.
That's why I wanted to.
That is a 787-8 Dreamliner from American.
Coming from CDG Paris. Charles de Gaulle International Airport going to ORD Chicago 10 Center approach.
Very nice. Except for it comes pretty much every single second.
737-824ER United Airlines Starlines livery. Very nice. I almost just knocked on it. 787-10 Dreamliner United Airlines. 10 Center approach coming to ORD.
Where?
I don't know, I just forgot. That is a 777F1B from China Southern Cargo coming from ANC Anchorage Ted Stevens International Airport going to ORD Chicago.
10 Center approach.
Yeah, 10 left would be better. $747-83QF Silkway West Cargo 10 years anniversary livery coming from LUX Luxembourg.
To ORD, Chicago.
Runway 10 Center approach.
Bye.
That is a Boeing 777F from Emirates Sky Cargo coming from CPH Copenhagen.
Coming to ORD, Chicago, 10 Center approach. Wish we were at the
787-9 Dreamliner American Airlines coming from LHR London Heathrow.
ORD, 10 Center approach.
767-3CBER from United Airlines old livery coming from LHR London, I think, or ZRA just
To ORD, Chicago, 10 Center approach.
Center Tenor approach. Very cool. 777-FB5 Korean Air Cargo coming from ANC Anchorage Ted Stevens International Airport.
To ORD, Chicago, 10 Center approach. I'm dying.
Yabbity gabbity goo.